Hey, what it do? I got another wig review for you. Hey, I am in a great mood, you guys. Today's wig is brought to you by the brand Outre. If you are interested in this wig during the video or by the end of the video, I will be sure to leave a website link in the description box from online beauty supply stores you can purchase from, or you could get it from my Amazon storefront. The wig that I have today is Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig in the style Amelia in the color D3R2/honey brown. Right here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. The parting space come on the right side. Behind the parting space, you get two combs in the front with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. The cap is made on a stretch fit breathable material. They already went ahead and inserted a elastic band. The lace is transparent soft lace, and as for the hair texture, it has a really light yucky texture to it, but it still feels a little on the silky side. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Okay, so a lot of you guys know I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to these wigs. I already went ahead off camera and plucked the hairline a little bit more to my liking. And the left side is how the hairline comes. The right side is how I plucked it, and I removed some of the baby hairs from the forehead. So the only thing I did to this wig was pluck a little bit more of the hairline. The hairline comes with about 1 inch of lace. And as for the parting space, I didn't have to go in and pluck the parting space. To cut off the extra lace in the front, I'm just going to take some eyebrow razors and start from the middle and just take the razors, move the baby hairs back, and cut right along the hairline in little zigzag motions. Now let's get into this wig install. Underneath the lace, I already went ahead and applied some makeup powder. I use the makeup powder as a lace tint. Sometimes that's not enough to get my lace to blend. Right there in the back is where I hook my adjustable straps. When I put the wig on, I make sure I put the elastic band that's on the inside by my nape area, and then I throw the back of the wig on and just place the wig in place. The lace is still coming off a little too light on my skin, so y'all already know I'm gonna take some foundation and pump a little bit of it onto a paper towel. After I pump a small pump, I take my makeup brush and smudge some of the product off so I don't put too much product on top of the lace, and then I just wipe the product on top of the lace of the hairline on the wig. To help hold down my lace for this wig show and tell, I'm going to go in with the Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray and just spray one layer of this on top of the lace from my temple to my ear tab. After that, I go in with the blow dryer on warm and blow dry that spot until it's completely dry. Right here, I'm just taking the back of that rat tail comb and pushing it down onto where I sprayed it while it's blow drying, so I could actually make sure that the lace is drying on that spray. And I also comb the roots of the baby hairs out so it don't get hard. The baby hairs was a little too thick for my liking, so I went in and plucked some of it out with the tweezers. Next up, I'm going to use the Got To Be Glue styling spiking glue to style my baby hairs in place. And I like using this gel for my baby hairs on synthetic wigs only because I like how it holds my baby hair synthetic wigs in place throughout the day. I didn't spray down the other air tab because the bangs is going to be covering that air tab for this wig show and tell, so I didn't really see it necessary to spray down. Next up, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 to help my parting space look a little bit more like scalp, and it's also help hide the knots and grids on the lace as well. And I'm going to apply some of that powder to the hairline. This color is screaming, look at me. I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. This ombre color is a bomb. I love how the roots fade into the blonde and then the blonde fades back into that black, and the black color is not a jet black. I would say it's more on the 1B side, and the color blend is what make the color super poppin'. There's not a harsh line of demarcation with the color. And that feathered bang is everything in the front. The way that feathered bang framed my face on one side is super cute. And I didn't even have to install the whole hairline. I just sprayed down by the air tab to my sideburn on the wig. And bada boom, bada bang is done. This wig have a really nice flow to it. I know it's only day one with the wig, but I got zero tangling and shedding was on the light side. As for the hair density is medium to me. I really like it. It goes with the style of the wig. The hair length, I would say, is 16 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". When I turn to the side, I like how the crown area is flat. It's not giving hump action. When I say hump action, a lot of y'all know what I mean. Basically going up a hill. Humpty Dumpty went up the hill. He even sat on the wall. He went up the hill. But it all depends on how your braid foundation is at the bottom as well, or how sleek you get your hair into a low ponytail to make sure the top of your wig is nice and flat. I also really like how when I split the hair in the back, my tracks isn't showing and you can't see my wig cap. So that's really good for the people that like to split their hair, because I am one of them. I also know a lot of you is like, Kara, come on, tell me if it's big hair friendly. And yes, it is big head friendly. So my head circumference is 22 inches and it fits really nice on my head. I still have stretch cap room material left in there. And if you have a smaller head, I recommend crisscrossing the adjustable straps, even knotting the end of that elastic band so it can give you an extra secure, snug fit. And if the back is a little flappy, you can always add some bobby pins in the back to keep it down throughout the day. As for the hair luster, this wig do have a luster to it, like a shine, but to me, I'm okay with the shine. It's not too shiny in my opinion, but if you have a problem with the shine, you can always go in with some dry shampoo to help dim down the shine. I'm not gonna lie, I am really feeling this wig. It is definitely beginner friendly as well. And as for the lace, once you get the lace to match your skin tone, It blends in with your skin very easily. And I didn't even spray the whole hairline. As you guys saw, I just sprayed down the air tab to the temple and boom. Like, as for the lace on my forehead, the lace is just sitting on my forehead. So I don't mind spraying a little spray on the air tabs to keep it down through the day, but spraying my whole hairline just be a little bit too much for me, especially on a synthetic wig. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll talk to you guys later.